If you're experiencing issues with Elden Ring updates getting stuck, follow these steps to disable the update process. This guide will help you manage the situation effectively. Step 1. Access Game Settings. Open the Elden Ring game on your console or PC. Navigate to the Settings menu where you can find options related to updates and downloads. Step 2. Disable automatic updates. Look for an option that allows you to disable automatic updates. This might be under a section labeled Updates or Downloads. Toggle the setting to turn off automatic updates for the game. Step 3. Clear update cache. If the update is still stuck, consider clearing the cache. On consoles, this usually involves restarting the system or clearing the game data. On PC, you may need to navigate to the game files and delete any temporary update files. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to get stuck. You may want to restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better stability. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the changes, close the game completely and restart it. This will refresh the game and apply the new settings, preventing the update from getting stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to manage the update process for Elden Ring effectively. If issues persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.